Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Always be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of someone else. To be happy, we mustn't be too concerned with others. The strongest force in the universe is a human being living consistently with his identity. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Sometimes your joy is a source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Happy people plan actions. They don't plan results. I'm happy because I'm grateful. I choose to be grateful. That gratitude allows me to be happy.